breaking the late-night doom-scrolling habit, waking up to jarring buzzer alarms, or struggling to quiet an overactive mind without turning your bedroom into a glowing tech zone usually means upgrading to a dedicated sleep sanctuary device. The Hatch Restore 3 Putty redefines the smart bedside sleep assistant category by combining science-backed audio, circadian rhythm lighting, and an intentionally phone-free physical interface into an elegant home accessory. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its circadian lighting suite paired with a natural sunrise alarm clock architecture. Instead of relying on a sudden, loud alarm that spikes your morning cortisol, the device simulates the gradual, organic brightening of dawn to cue your body's natural circadian rhythm, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and naturally alert. This is complemented by customizable evening wind-down lighting and over 80 science-backed sleep sounds, ranging from deep white noise and rainfall to specialized soundscapes and meditations, designed to block out disruptions and quiet a busy mind. Performance and everyday usability are heavily focused on breaking smartphone dependency in the bedroom. The device features an intuitive, phone-free physical control layout equipped with a large, tactile top button for managing routines, adjusting volume, and hitting snooze without ever reaching for screen. Wrapped in a soft, modern putty-neutral finish with a fully dimmable clock display that keeps the room pitch dark at night, it serves as an all-in-one sound machine, reading light, and smart alarm. Things to consider before you buy. Because it relies heavily on cloud-based routines and an expansive audio library via its companion app, initial setup requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, and unlocking the deepest tier of guided content requires an optional Hatch Plus subscription, though it comes loaded with a great core selection of sounds out of the box. Additionally, it is designed as a stationary plug-in bedside device, meaning it needs a permanent spot near a wall outlet. So, who is this really for? This sleep companion is an absolute home run for light sleepers, professionals battling screen addiction, and anyone wanting a gentle, science-backed routine to improve their sleep hygiene. If you're just looking for a basic, ultra-cheap travel alarm clock or a loud garage timer that doesn't care about lighting or sleep sounds, a standard digital clock will easily suffice. Is it worth the money? If you value ditching your phone before bed, waking up peacefully to simulated sunrise lighting, and falling asleep faster to premium ambient audio wrapped in a gorgeous minimalist aesthetic, it is a premier, life-enhancing investment for your nightly routine. The Amazon link sits right in the description for easy access.